How to set tag duration on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. So you will see accessibility is here, so click on accessibility. Now here, so click on interaction and dexterity. So after click on interaction and dexterity, so click on scroll down and click on tab duration. So after click on tab duration, so click on set tab duration. So you will see plus icon and minus icon. So you will increase or increase seconds from here. So if you want to decrease, so click on this minus icon, so you will increase from here. So click if you want to try, so click on try it out. Again. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set tab duration on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.